Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft and Thread Tales. We are going to make a cute mini paper bag. First, take a paper sheet of your choice, fold it in half and cut it into two equal pieces. For this, we will use only one of those pieces. Take the paper piece and fold it in half again. Now, make triangular folds on both ends to create neat crease lines. These folds will help us shape the bag. Carefully fold and join the sides together. Now we'll make the handle holes. Using a hole punch, create holes on both sides near the top edge of the bag. These holes will be used to attach the handle. Now we will add the handle. Take a ribbon, yarn or crochet chain, whatever you have available, and thread it through the holes. Now tie secure knots to create a strong and beautiful handle. Now decorate your bag. Decorate your bag however you like. You can cut out hearts, flowers, stars or any other shapes and glue them onto the bag. Let your creativity shine. And that's it. Your adorable mini paper gift bag is ready to use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Craft and Thread Tales for more fun and creative DIY projects. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!